Online business idea, D Home Decor and Furnishings subscription box. Step-by-step guide to starting your own D Home Decor and Furnishings subscription box. Welcome to our podcast, where we'll be discussing one of the most exciting business opportunities in the home decor and furnishings market, a D subscription box service. In this episode, we'll be providing a step-by-step guide on how to start your own D Home Decor and Furnishings subscription box, including market research, product selection, pricing strategy, and marketing tactics. With a growing demand for unique and personalized home decor, this is a business idea that has the potential to be incredibly profitable and fulfilling. Step 1. Market research. Conducting market research is crucial to understand the demand for D Home Decor and Furnishings. Look for existing subscription boxes in this niche and study their success factors, customer feedback, and areas for improvement. Research your target audience and understand their preferences and needs when it comes to home decor and furnishings. Step 2. Product selection. Based on your market research, select products that are in high demand, unique, and suitable for a D project. Consider the cost of materials and the feasibility of the projects for a wide range of skill levels. Partner with suppliers and manufacturers to ensure a steady supply of high-quality materials and products. Step 3. Pricing strategy. Set the subscription fee to cover the cost of materials and production, and provide a profit margin. Offer different subscription plans based on the frequency of delivery and the number of projects included in each box. Consider offering special discounts for long-term subscribers to encourage customer loyalty. Step 4. Marketing tactics. Utilize social media platforms, such as Instagram and Facebook, to reach your target audience and promote your subscription box. Collaborate with influencers and bloggers in the home decor and furnishings niche to reach a wider audience. Offer a referral program to incentivize existing subscribers to promote your subscription box to their friends and family. Step 5. Launch and ongoing operations. Plan the launch of your D Home Decor and Furnishings subscription box and make sure all necessary preparations are made. Develop a website and e-commerce platform to sell and manage subscriptions. Implement a reliable shipping and fulfillment process. Continuously monitor customer feedback and make changes to your products and marketing strategies to improve customer satisfaction and grow your business. Stay on top of market trends and continually evaluate your pricing strategy to ensure profitability. Conclusion. Starting a D Home Decor and Furnishings subscription box can be a lucrative and fulfilling business opportunity. By conducting market research, selecting high-quality products, setting a competitive pricing strategy, and implementing effective marketing tactics, you can establish and grow a successful subscription box service. Good luck!